What is up, gang? Beautiful day. Just got off of work and headed home because I'm gonna work on the CBR because I got that package delivered notification.
Huh?
Ooh, are those supercars? Wow, it's a Ferrari.
Nice.
Oh, another one. Lambo. Ooh, look, there's another one. A red Lambo. Nice, nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
So, today we're gonna replace my grips and bar ends. Currently got these RNG sliders. Well, had sliders because this side fell off. But let's check out the new setup. Puig high-tech Ascension grips. Went ahead and got the anodized red. Sheesh. Looking better than that Rari today.
Stop the cap.
But I was going to go with orange, but I have a vision of a color scheme that I'm working on. The left grip has locking screws to hold it in place.
I'm fast as boy.
Anyways, these are universal for 22mm handlebars. Comes with a variety of throttle adapters for most makes and models, but we'll find out which one exactly once we get the throttle off. Overall, they're really lightweight, solid build. Bar ends, on the other hand, instead of aftermarket, I went with OEM with the original Honda weighted bar ends. Also got the correct length screws for it. Now these bad boys are heavy as shit, which I like. Helps with the vibration and way better than the plastic ones that I had on. Going to pair these together and see how they look. Woohoo! What you know about them Rari red grips? Snaps back like a dream. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, like the video for these Rari grips on the orange CBR, or maybe Lambo grips.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But in the meantime, join the Noted gang for more content. Mahalo for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.